So hey guys, today I will show you the fake sale conducted by Xiaomi for the fourth or fifth time in the flash sale. So you can see I am going to order the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max Glacier White 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. The price is showing 18,000 rupees. Okay, you can see I had added the Flip Shopee extension and it is showing please empty your cart. Click refresh if I do not turn green 2 minutes before sale. I had previously booked Redmi Note 4, Redmi Note 5 Pro, Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, Redmi Note 7 Pro in flash sales for the first time itself without fail. But also now I am going to try the same thing. Many of people are saying that this is a fake sale connected by Xiaomi. So let's see whether it is fake or not. You can see the time is 11:57. I had also synchronized my time and it is the exact time of the sale. So let's see whether it will be booking or not. So friends, now you can see the time is 11:57. I will also show you the seconds. 45 seconds, 15 seconds remaining. It starts refreshing the cart from 11:58 a.m. onwards because it is a script. It adds automatically to our cart. It tries 10 times per second. That is the fastness of this buying extensions. I had previously used price tracker. Also I had used this Flip Shopee and others. Now you can see it is turned into green color and trying to add to in your cart. I am using two extensions at present. You can see at the left side it is the Amazon Flash Sale Auto Buy. It is also trying very quickly. Let's see whether the mobile adds to in our cart or not. It will be known at 12 p.m. because the sale starts at 12 p.m. exactly. So it starts from 2 minutes before because we don't know, maybe the sale starts 10 seconds or 15 seconds before. It previously happened with me for the Redmi Note 5 Pro. The sale started 30 seconds before, that means 11:59 30 seconds. So that 30 seconds are more valuable. You may lose your phone in that 30 seconds. So these extensions start clicking auto buy before 2 minutes of this sale starting. I had also tried parallelly in my Redmi store in mobile. I had used auto clicker app because we cannot use extensions in mobile. So I am using auto clicker which clicks 5 times per second. So that is the speed of that auto clicker app. What I had done is I had placed that auto clicker marker on the buy now option in the Redmi store for the 6GB 128GB variant, and I had turned on the auto clicker exactly when there is a buy now option. Okay, you can see the page is refreshing. There is only a minute left. Let's see what happens now. The time is 11:59. Even now it is adding the cart. Continuously it does the random process. So let's see what happens. Is it a flash sale or a fake sale by Xiaomi? Many people has complained even in the previous sales. But guys, remember one thing, Redmi Note 9 Pro has normal sale. It is not a fake sale. Redmi Note 9 Pro is normal sale which has less number of units, only thousands of units are left. You can see the time is 12 o'clock. Even now it is trying to add the cart. You can see there is no buy now button. Now it has came buy now button. Even now our extension is trying to add into the cart. You can see there is 0% claimed. In 1 second, how can it be 100% claimed? Same with this thing, only 1 second. Even I am trying in my mobile. I am using two extensions. I had active internet connection. It is trying to add in the cart for second 10 times, but still what is this happening? And I had also observed that once you can see there are only 106 ratings for a mobile. So till now we had completed 5 or 6 flash sales for Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So okay, let's assume that the previous flash sale which was conducted in the previous week, those phones are not delivered due to corona. Okay, let's leave that. But what about the other 4 flash sales mobiles? They had delivered. Why people do not write reviews? If lots of lakhs of phones are sold, where are the reviews gone? When I searched in Amazon for Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, it is only showing 4 reviews for one model. And you can see here 1 or 6 reviews. And also the search results including Redmi Note 9 Pro. But why? And also you can see in mi.com there are reviews for Redmi Note 9 Pro. There are 232 reviews only. So they are very limited stock selling for Redmi Note 9 Pro. But why there are no reviews for the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max? When I had checked it in MS Store, there are no reviews. So we can say that this is the fake sale connected by Xiaomi, and I am also feeling very disheartened because what are they doing? Because we know that Amazon is an international e-commerce seller, and also Xiaomi is an international top seller mobile brand. But why these guys are doing these cheap things? I hope Xiaomi will change this strategy. When you do not have any stock, tell why you guys are conducting these fake sales. What happens if you say there is no stock for our products? Just these guys are trying to create some hype to mobiles, so everyone feels that they are very popular, so that is the reason only they are selling in lakhs and lakhs. So guys, you know, this is a fake sale, so don't be worried. After some days, if stock comes, they will conduct the original flash sales. Actually, flash sale strategy is used to create some hype to mobiles. That's it. It is a strategy played by the market and mobile manufacturer companies, so don't be afraid of this. So this is all for today's video. If you like this video, please hit a like button. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe to our channel and click a bell icon to never miss any update, and please stay tuned to our channel. Thank you very much.